Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Marchetti, Director of Academic Support and Testing Services, and in this quick video, I'm just going to walk you through how to use your tutoring Blackboard page. So what you can see on my screen right now is that we're in the announcements section of the Blackboard page, and the two announcements that you received last Wednesday and this past Sunday are already here. As you probably noticed, your announcements not only get added in date order to this page, but they also get automatically emailed to you. We're going to post announcements every Sunday morning and every Wednesday morning, so you can keep an eye out for emails on those days or just check back on this page. But like I said, they'll always be here and they'll always be organized in date order for you. If you look on the left side of this page in the navigation bar, there's a couple other things for us to work through as well. The first is the staff info section, and this is where you get all our contact info and specialty information. And so the first thing on here is the general email for the Academic Support Center. If the tutors in this page don't cover all the subjects that you need or are not available at a time when you need them, you can email the Academic Support Center and we can let you know some other options that we have. You also have my contact information in here. I am not a tutor, but if you have questions about anything regarding MWCC and you don't know who to ask, you can always reach out and ask me. And then you have all of your tutors' info on here. You have their email address, the program that they work for, and the subjects that they're able to tutor. You'll notice that 3 of the tutors are for the HCOP students specifically, and the others are for everyone, but you can, in general, reach out to whoever has a time available when you need, and the tutors will be able to make it work and help you. So like I said, all their staff info is live, and it's always on this page available for you to take a look. The next thing on your navigation bar is the helpful links section, and this is just what it says. It's links to helpful areas around the college. So all of these titles lead to the landing page for those offices where you can read more about them. You've got the Academic Support Center, which is the office that I manage. And then you also have Gateway to College, HCOP, and Pathways programs, which are some of the programs that a few of you guys are in. And in addition to that, there are areas all over the website that can help you, in addition to support services, student life, and Thrive. If you have questions about something you need help with and you don't think it falls within one of those websites, that's something you can email me about and I'll direct you to where you can get the best help. After that, you've got an email section. You can email us directly from Blackboard, or you can go into your student email and iConnect and email us. Make sure when you reach out to a staff member at the college that you always use your MWCC email address. Do not use your personal one. We can't verify that it's you, and so we can't send out confidential information if it's not your Mount Wachusett email address. The next one is course content. There's nothing in there yet, but when we do add something, it'll be in an announcement. And then you have the discussion board section of the page, which we'll go in and take a look. You can see your first discussion board, which was last Wednesday, scheduled and ready to go in here. And you can actually see the discussion board for this week is already pre-scheduled at the time I'm filming this and ready to go as well. The discussion boards are meant to be a place where you can talk with other students and other tutors about student success type skills. Things like procrastination, time management, and note-taking will all be covered here in the discussion board. And so make sure you log in weekly and participate as you can. The last thing that I want to show you is that there is also a link to Thinking Storm tutoring here in your Blackboard page. Like I said, if a tutor that is noted on this page is not available to help you when we need, we'll refer you elsewhere. And that elsewhere is Thinking Storm, which is a company we partner with. Thinking Storm has tutors available 24 hours a day, nearly, and almost 7 days a week as well. If you click on that Thinking Storm page, you get right to their landing and you can do all sorts of different things on here. You have the option to book an appointment. You have the option to choose a live tutor and make an appointment that way. There's all sorts of different things you can do through Thinking Storm, but if you have questions, you can always just email us and we can send you some videos to walk you through how to use that as well. So in general, this Blackboard page is for you to help you navigate the college better, but most importantly to connect you with the tutors that will be able to help you succeed in your classes. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Reach out earlier in the semester, reach out often. We're available for you each week for whatever you need. Stay in touch. Bye.